Hello everybody, welcome to Hampton's Adult Education Academy. Let's have some fun with ChatGPT. Can you believe that in 2026, some people have never used ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity, just the basic AI platforms, to do anything? Well, because I know how important of a skill this is, AI prompt writing or prompt engineering, I am going to launch a series of exercises, really simple, to help you get accustomed to some everyday things that you can use AI for. So we're using ChatGPT. All you want to do is go to chatgpt.com and you can start immediately. But the more you use it, you will get prompted to sign in and create an account. So here's a prompt. I want to make a perfect cup of coffee. Teach me how with a photo tutorial. Give me some tips. First, ask me what kind of coffee tools or machines I used. So I want to change this just a little bit, modify it, where it says first, ask me what kind of coffee tools or machines I used. I'm going to put use a basic coffee machine and necessary tools. And you want to click this up arrow and let's see what happens. Okay, do you see this little section here? Once you see that it has stopped, then you know that the response is finished. So look at the photos that it has given you. Let's just scroll down to take a look. Tools and ingredients. And here is a step-by-step tutorial. Isn't that great? It gives you extra tips here. This is wonderful. Now, let's go up and look at the pictures. If you click here where it says number 5, you can see all of the pictures that it gave to you. And you can click the back arrow to go back to the first image. If you right-click the image, and I'm using Google Chrome, you can click Save As and download these images. So use the X to click out. Now we're back to the screen. Let's say you like this, you want to copy all of this. Let's click copy. I'm going to open up a Microsoft Word document and click paste. And it pasted all of the information. And on some of the photos, especially if it got it from somewhere else, then you might see that watermark. You can always switch out images if you're going to use this for some sort of project. And so that is how you can use ChatGPT for a photo tutorial of how to make the perfect cup of coffee, and then how you can save the results. So now it's your turn. You can use the prompt that I used, or you can modify it and create your own. What else can you use ChatGPT for to make a tutorial about? I would love to hear about your results. Head over to the community tab and let us know what you were able to create. You may be able to copy and paste a little bit of what you were able to create. If you want to know more about prompt writing and develop the skill of prompt engineering, and get a certificate of completion that you can show to your educational officers or potential employers, head on over to writewelluniversity.com, click Prompt Writing Essentials for better AI results, and take the free preview and join the class. Also, if you need a higher value, I'll say a higher value option, then you can go to my GUMROAD page. I will put the links in the caption in the box below. And you can take the print version of this course, and you will also get a certificate of completion that you can add your name and the date to. And you can also take advantage of this really low-cost option so that you can prove that you have some AI skills. Okay, thank you so much. Again, head to writewelluniversity.com for more. Thank you so much and happy learning.